Hello everyone, with me Irgi, moderator for today event. So in this very special day, we have received many representatives from startup companies from various countries, and here are also two judges as well as our investor who will determine which companies are entitled to receive direct investment from Alpha Company, the largest technology company in United States. Before starting, I would like to greet to our judges name Mr. Alfarani and Miss Alfi. Are you ready to be on the jury today?
Of course.
Okay, if everyone is ready, let's start the show. For our first company, we have a company from Indonesia. Those who want to introduce technology that is said to be really sophisticated without waiting long. Let's welcome representative from smart companies.
Thank you. Because it's nighttime here in Indonesia, I would like to say good morning to the jurists, Mr. Alvarani and Miss Alfi. Before I begin the presentation, I would like to ask a simple question. What do we think will happen to the world in the near future? Yes, we probably imagine that the world will be filled with various technology and everything will be digitalized. Everything will soon depend on technology. Even human resources are very likely to be left behind. We are here to spearhead that change. Greetings everyone. We are from startup company called So Smart, which is a niche in technology, and we are interested in developing for the educational application. My name is Angeline, the CEO of Smart Company, and this is my colleague Angela, who is the CDO of our company. As we all knew, we are a startup company from Indonesia operating in the capital city of Jakarta.
As we all know, the very fast development of the world and the effects of globalization that increasingly spreading cannot be avoided. Likewise, with the technological development today, various companies are competing to combine technology with various fields, coupled with the emergence of various advanced technologies such as 360-degree camera, virtual reality, and also 3D and 4D technology that allow humans to experience the virtual world more real and meaningful. But sometimes not everyone enjoys interacting and communicating using technology. Like in 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many students felt bored learning online because they only have a lot of interaction as they could in class. They can only see and hear the teacher explain and speak when they were asked. However, some of those who like interacting indirectly and those who do not have much time to go to formal school because they have to work at greatly helped by the existence of online schools. As can be seen in the following percentage, there is a significant increase in smartphone use. Even in Indonesia, smartphone users have touched more than 90 million users, and it can be seen also the percentage level of young people who are already working. Even if we look at the pace of new development technology, smartphone companies can release their new products only 3 until 12 months apart after the release of the latest product.
As a solution to these pros and cons, we also decide to issue a technology product in the field of education called the Smart Education App, where this application is equipped with 4D technology and a hologram, where people who use it will enter the virtual world in the form of a hologram and can feel the sensational of actually being there. Learning in the real world using virtual reality, which is certainly equipped with various features that make the learning experience more interactive and less boring. But don't worry, for those who don't have a virtual reality, we also issue a game mode so you can use it with only your smartphone. Then how does this application work? The following is a prototype of our application. So this is the main view of our product when the application is open. Users can register or log in or directly join class or create a new class or schedule class and record presentation for learning activities. After we choose to join a class, we will be taken to the next page, which is process of filling in the name, class code, and password. After the information processed by the system, the user will be made in form of a 4D hologram by doing face and body scanner using only a smartphone or PC camera. Users can also choose clothes according to what they want or according to the uniform of related educational institution.
After the character is finished, the user will be taken to the main page, which has been customized like when we are in school environment, so that the user can feel like they are in the real school. Here is a user will walk to the registered classroom. The classroom is accommodate up to 50 students in the classroom. There are 3 features provided to teachers to use for teaching, namely share screen, whiteboard, and game features to increase understanding and interaction, and can also be used to do quizzes. In the next room, there is a discussion room. There is any group work or student who want to work assignment together, it can be done in this room. They can interact with each other by using mic or chat. And not forgetting to support the learning process, we are also provide a library room. This allows students to experiment directly to find and read the books they like.
Apart from supporting academic activities, we are also equipped with various features that allow students to carry out non-academic activities such as basketball, soccer, and tennis ball, performing arts, and the refreshing bar games. Not to forget, we also prepared a special room for students and teachers to interact, which is named the counseling room. Of course, with making and developing this app, we will be needing the help of others that can invest in our company. And that is why we need your help to make this dream become reality. For that, we will be needing the investment fund of approximately 20 to 22,000 US dollar, which the $19,000 will be used for cost of making and also marketing the product. Meanwhile, the rest will be used for backup costs and the development of the application. I think that's enough from us. If there are any question from the juries, we would be happy to answer them. Thank you.
Wow, this is really new and interesting idea from Smart Company. We're only starting with the first company, but the idea and the product are already super fascinating. Now let me give the mic to the juries. Maybe there are any questions regarding smart companies.
Thank you. I will by saying this is a very interesting presentation and application. But I have a question for you. We all know that there are many learning applications on the market. What are the advantages of your product that can differentiate your product from the other similar product?
Okay, please for the representative to answer the question.
Okay, thank you for the question. Our advantage of the 4D technology and embodiment of the user original character in the form of a hologram so that user can feel the original sensation of entering the application. Then remembering our goal to make online classes more fun and interactive, we provide virtual reality features so that user can move and experiment directly in the virtual school. They will feel as if they are interacting directly with other students. And as we have shown before, we also support non-academic activities that support students to do their hobbies. Thank you.
Okay, I think that we really get great answer from the representative. Any other question from the judges?
Okay, I have one. We as investor definitely want to invest our money in a profitable and potential business. For this application that you have mentioned, can you explain how you can get profit from the app?
Thanks again for the question. As an application in the field of education, the main things we'll do is work with various educational institutions, such as school, universities, or courses that are interested in creating online programs. Given that now many students have problems following formal school schedules, so that we will work with them as a provider of the application container, the benefits of selling application, and of course to support sustainable benefits, we will also launch various attractive and unique paid programs.
All right, the judges, was the given answer clear now?
What is the example for the paid program?
We plan to hold of competition, an online student exchange program, and special premium features that we are still developing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, do you have any further question?
Who is the main target market for this smart application?
Okay, because our product is mainly for educational purpose, our main target are people like students and teachers and also universal women and men. But because this application is quite interactive, maybe those who are more interested in this application are young people between 10 until 24 years old. And we also have a target to work with some of the educational institution. And for the geographic market of this application, we are targeting it to be used in all countries in the world because this product is an application product that has a great opportunity to be used worldwide. Only the development will be improved and adjust along the way. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good. For the next question, maybe from Miss Alfie again.
Okay, a question from me. Are you sure this product can be accepted in the market and can actually last for a long time?
For this, we are very optimistic. Besides from the reason that we believe that the innovation we make is different and more interesting. We also see the function of this product itself where many people in the modern era like to explore new things and many of them have to go to school while also working or doing business. Our products are the solution to their problems and desires. and because people will continue to learn and the world of education will continue to be neat. I think that this application will continue to be neat and also we will also continue to develop it so that it can be adapt to the globalization that is happening.
Okay, because your target is worldwide, so surely every country has its own obstacle when it comes to technology, such as network problem and lagging technology. So how do you plan to overcome these obstacles?
In order to overcome the many obstacles that can occur in various countries, we have also found out and analyzed them. To solve this, we offer various solutions in our application. We try to create application with a large bandwidth and a light system so that you don't need to use a large network connection. With this, the application can adjust to various countries that have problems with the network and people who have small storage space. Because the application only uses a small amount of space, and because technological development in various countries vary, such as virtual reality, which is not owned by all countries, we have also created a game mode that allows users to experiment directly with just moving a smartphone. We hope that with this solution, everyone in this world can use our application without any problems.
All right, a very good solution. Yes, with this we can be sure that everyone in various countries can try too.
Yes.
Okay, there are any other questions from judges?
Okay, for the last question from me as an investor. Give us the reason why your company is the right company for us to choose.
We really believe that this product can be successful and liked by many people, and we make sure that we will continue to do our best to able maintain and develop this product to ensure investor will not regret investing their money in our company.
That's very good spirit, and it looks like a very confident statement from the CEO of this smart company. Okay, let's just listen to judges' decision whether this company is successful or not to get the investment from Alpha company.
But after seeing the presentation and the answer, we are very intrigued, and just by seeing the potential of the product and the persistence of the people who are in it.
We fellow investor from the Alpha company enthusiastically accept and trust the smart company to receive the investment capital from us.
We hope that this application can be realized as you plan, and hopefully you can continue to enthusiastically develop. And we hope you keep your words not to disappoint us.
Thank you so much, especially for the jurists for believing in us. We will make sure that we will keep our promise and we will be a successful and significant company in the future.
Thank you so much. We will continue to maintain our enthusiasm and efforts, and certainly we will not make a disappointing result.
Well, congratulations to the smart company for successfully getting investment fund from the Alpha company. Very interesting application product, and I really can be wait to try it. I would like to say thank you to our two investor, Mr. Alfarani and Miss Alfi, and also Angeline and Angela from Smart Company who gave their best performance by creating a very interesting product and finally managed to win the investment fund from the Alpha company. I think that's all for today event with me Irgi, and we will see you again next time. Thank you ladies and gentlemen, and as always have a nice day.